Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI in Windows 11 PC step by step. If you want to enhance your AI chat experience with a proxy, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your internet browser on your Windows 11 PC. This could be Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Janitor AI and hit Enter. Then, click on the official Janitor AI website from the search results. Make sure you have a profile in this AI. Step 2. Once you're on the website, browse through the available AI bots. Look for a bot that has Proxy enabled mentioned on its profile. This is important because only these bots can be used with a proxy. Step 3. When you've found the bot you want to chat with, scroll down and click Start a new chat at the bottom of the bot's page. This will open the chat window. Step 4. Now look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 5. From the menu options, select API Settings. This is where you can configure the proxy settings for your AI model. Step 6. Under the API Settings, you'll see different options. On the right side, click on Proxy to enable it. This ensures that your bot is connected through a proxy server for better performance and access. Step 7. Next, look for the Model section. By default, it may be set to Custom, but you need to change it. Click on the drop-down menu and select OpenAI Preset instead. Step 8. Once you've selected OpenAI Preset, another drop-down will appear. Here you can choose your preferred AI model, like GPT-4 or GPT-4 Turbo. Select the one that best suits your needs. Step 9. If you have a specific proxy URL provided to you, this is where you can enter it. This step is optional, so if you don't have a custom proxy, you can skip it. Step 10. Finally, to make sure everything is set up correctly, click on Check API Key Model. This will verify your connection and confirm that the proxy is working as expected. That's it. Now you know how to use Proxy by Janitor AI on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.